Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this session we will learn some basics of signals and classifications of signals. So please watch my video and subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video guys. So guys, in the signals and systems, today we will learn signals. So guys, let us see the details of a signal. So guys, today's topic is signals. Let us see the definition of a signal. Signal is a function of time, and there is another type of definition, that is, signal is defined as a single valued function of time that conveys some information. So this is the two definitions of a signal. Signals can be represented as x of t and y of t or z of t. Let us see the examples of a signals, that is human voice and sound waves. This is the examples of a signals. Let us see the classifications of a signals. Signals may have classified into 6 parts. Those are: 1. Continuous and discrete time signal. 2. Deterministic and non-deterministic signal. 3. Even and odd signal. 4. Periodic and aperiodic signal. 5. Energy and power signal. And the last one, real and imaginary signal. These are called classifications of a signals. Let us see one by one detailedly. So the first one is continuous and discrete time signal. Let us see the definition of continuous time signal. A continuous time signal is a function that is continuous, meaning there are no breaks in the signal. This is the block diagram of continuous time signal. The examples of continuous time signal is sine wave, cosine wave and triangular wave. Let us see the definition of discrete time signal. A signal is considered to be discrete time if the independent variable only has discrete values. This is the block diagram of discrete time signal. The example is the temperature reading of a room every day at the same time. The result would be a discrete time signal. This is the best example of discrete time signal. Let us see the second one is deterministic and non-deterministic signal. The definition of deterministic signal is: a signal is said to be deterministic if there is no uncertainty with respect to its value at any instant of time. And they have another definition, that is, signals which can be defined exactly by a mathematical formula are known as deterministic signals. These two definitions have deterministic signal. This is the block diagram of deterministic signal. Let us see the example of deterministic signal. Sinusoid, exponential, and step where u of t is the unit step function. This is the examples of deterministic signals. Let us see the definition of non-deterministic signal is: a signal is said to be non-deterministic signal if there is uncertainty with respect to its value at some instant of time, or Non-deterministic signals are random in nature, hence they are called random signals. This is the block diagram of non-deterministic signal. Thermal noise generated is non-deterministic signal. This is the best example of non-deterministic signal. Let us see the another type of signals. So the third one is even and odd signal. The definition of even signal is a signal is referred to as an even if it is identical to its time reversed counterparts. The condition of even signal is x of t equal to x of minus t. This is the block diagram of even signal. The example of even signal is a cos of minus 2 pi f naught t equal to a cos of 2 pi f naught t. This is the best example of even signal. Let us see the odd signal definition. An odd signal must be 0 at t equal to 0. In other words, odd signal passes the origin. The condition of odd signal is x of t equal to minus x of minus t. This is the block diagram of odd signal. The example of odd signal is a sine of minus 2 pi f naught t equal to minus a sine of 2 pi f naught t. This is the best example of odd signal. Let us see the one more signal. The fourth one is periodic and aperiodic signal. Let us see the definition of periodic signal. A periodic signal is one that repeats the sequence of values exactly after a fixed length of time, known as a periodic. This is the definition of periodic signal, and this is the block diagram of periodic signal. Let us see the examples of periodic signal. The sinusoidal signals and periodically repeated non-sinusoidal signals. This is the best example of periodic signal. Let us see the definition of aperiodic signal. A signal that does not repeat itself after a specific interval of time is called an aperiodic signal. This is the definition of aperiodic signal. This is the block diagram of aperiodic signal. The example of aperiodic signal is sound signals from radio, all types of noise signals. This is the best example of aperiodic signal. Let us see the fifth one is energy and power signal. The definition of energy signal is energy signal is a signal whose energy is finity and power is 0. This is the condition for energy signal. The example of energy signal is non-periodic signals or energy signals. The definition of power signal is a signal whose power is finity and energy is infinite. This is the condition for power signal. The example of power signal is periodic signals or power signals. This is the best example of power signals. Let us see the last one is real and imaginary signals. Let us see the definition of real signals. A real discrete time signal is defined as any time ordered sequence of real numbers. This is the block diagram of real signal. The example of real signal is a signal is a real signal. It can be represented as in one way where it represents the real part. Let us see the definition of imaginary signal. A complex discrete time signal is any time ordered sequence of complex numbers. This is the block diagram of imaginary signal. The example of imaginary signal is a signal is an imaginary signal it can be represented as in one way where represents the imaginary part.
This is the overview of classifications of a signals. So guys, thanks for your watching and please subscribe to my channel. Like my video and share your friends.